Memoji stickers are really great, but sometimes they can be a little bit hard to access. Here's my top tip to use them everywhere. First up, open Notes on a device where you can normally use Memoji stickers. Start a new note, and then insert all of your stickers onto one note. From here, you're going to tap onto a sticker, and then you're going to choose to export it and save it to Photos. Repeat this process for each of your stickers. It might take a moment or two, but you'll only have to do it once. Then jump across the Photos app, and hopefully you'll see all of your stickers there as images. It might look like they've got a white or a black background, but when you tap onto one of the images, you should notice it changes, demonstrating that it's transparent. This is important because later it means you can drag it on top of other documents and you won't have a box around your picture. I'm going to select all of my stickers and then add them to a new album. You could make a shared album if you wanted to, across different iCloud accounts, but for me just a normal album will be fine. The great thing now is I can use that album on any of my devices. It could be my older iPad that doesn't support Memoji stickers, or it could even be my iMac at home. Simply bring up Photos and slide over, or on split screen, and then you can drag your Memoji stickers straight onto whatever document you're working in. This will now treat your Memoji stickers as images. It's a little bit confusing because they're actually treated a bit like text and emojis normally, but by saving them in this way they become PNG images which you can use for whatever you like in the highest quality possible on your device.